What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. I hope you are having a great new year so far. I can't believe I'm already 5 days in. I haven't filmed a proper sit down video with you guys. This is just an unboxing, and if you love those, I'm sure you're happy to watch this. If you're looking for different content, because I swear I have promised that, I will be filming different stuff soon, but I'm gonna get a couple unboxings out of the way for the month before I try to do anything else. Yeah, and as always, if you have suggestions, let me know. So yeah, I'm happy to unbox with you guys my IPSY. This is the creator box. So I'm not going to do try-ons for these just because I'm running a little bit behind for the month already, at least for unboxings. So we're just going to check out what came in my IPSY Glam bag and my Glam bag Plus for the month. I also do get a Glam bag Plus that I pay for, so that will be coming up later in the month, and I usually compare them. So I may do a try-on of that later on. But anyway, without further ado, let's go ahead and see what I got in my IPSY bags. So let's go ahead with our IPSY Glam bag. So this is a cute little like melty tie-dye kind of moment. So this is a little bag. It's like a faux leather yellow zip, and it's got a little smiley face on it. It's really cute. So let's see what we got. First product is from Grace and Stella. This is a Say Hi to Hydration Hyaluronic Acid Hydrating Serum. Of course, it's going to be like a deluxe size. This is 0.34 ounces. A lot of serums are only 1 ounce for full sizes, so this is still a really decent size. I just want to see what it looks like. So this is the little serum, comes in a dropper. It's really cute. I feel like, again, this is a really decent size, and hyaluronic acid for me, I'm not super picky, so I'm gonna be happy with just about any hyaluronic acid as long as it works like the rest. So yeah, I will definitely be using this. And next up, the First Aid Beauty Ultra Repair Cream. This is just a classic for moisturizers. Really good if you have sensitive skin or you have irritation from other moisturizers for like fragrance and things like that. I found lately that I had to start getting rid of some moisturizers that had a lot of fragrance in them, because I can't do it. It irritates my skin unnecessarily, and I honestly don't like strong scents on my face, you know? Anyway, so this one's kind of like a good basic. If your skin's going through anything and you don't know what to use, like this is usually going to be a good option. Next up, the Professional Light Primer. So I actually don't think that I have gotten this one or tried it out. And I think this is just like a lighter version of their original, if I'm not mistaken. I like the hydrating one a lot because it kind of is the best of both worlds for me. Okay, yeah, it feels quite nice. Has a little bit of that original Professional kind of texture, but it's a bit smoother. I find that with the original Professional, if you put too much on, it'll kind of like peel up and ball away. But this kind of like sank into the, you know, porousness of the skin and kind of lays flat. I really like it. It feels like silky smooth. So I definitely see myself getting use out of this little guy. I also got, who is this from? I guess the brand is Ditto, D-I-T-O, Extra Sculpt Volume Mascara. So this is just a mini mascara. Pretty straightforward. I like mini mascaras. I use the full-size mascaras, but because I like to jump around and use different mascaras depending on like what mood I'm in, a lot of times they go dry before I use it up, so I like the mini ones. I want to see what the brush is like. Oh, okay. So it's kind of like a plasticky bristle, and it is a curved wand. Interesting. I prefer kind of like original, like classic bristles, but a few of my favorite mascaras have also had these type of bristles, so I'm not as picky as I used to be. But yeah, this one has a little curve to it. I'll definitely try it out. Why not? And we'll see how it goes. And the last thing, I love getting brushes, honestly. So this one is from Hip Dot. I love some of their makeup, so I'm really excited for this. And this is called the Precise Brush. I could definitely use this for multiple things. Great for patting on like P. Louise base or whatever base. And I could also use this to like pat on like shimmers and glitters when I like to like pat them on to make them more intense, or if you're like wetting a shadow. So yeah, I could do a lot with this. It looks cute. I like the handle too, it's like metallic looking. So all in all, I think this was a really good bag. Most excited for the brush, and I do really like the look of the primer and the feel of it so far. And then our mascara, and you can never go wrong with skincare. Now let's move on to the Glam bag Plus, and it has of course the same print, like this little pastel melty tie-dye, except it has the smiley face on it. I always talk about how much I love the bags because they're just, you know, useful, but we won't go into that. So let's go ahead and open this up. First up, I got the Kimchi Stage Proof Matte Setting Spray. It's not very often that I reach for matte setting spray, but I mean, if you really want something to last, this could be a great one. So I'm excited to try it out anyway. I don't have a lot of matte ones, so the occasional one that I do get, I will use it. I've not tried a lot from Kimchi. I really have only tried like the little lip mask, so I'm excited for this. I've still got my glow, of course. It's not gonna like make you look completely matte, but if you have oilier skin, obviously this is gonna be really nice for you. It feels good so far. Doesn't smell like anything, and it's a good size. It's cute packaging. Next, this is the Cella Dual Liquid Eyeliner Pearl. So it has blue and black. This Cella brand, I've had like hit and miss experiences, if I'm being honest, which I'm gonna be. So I haven't really loved everything I've gotten from them, but I'm definitely open to trying out this eyeliner and seeing what it's all about. I do wish that brands would not do the double packaging. If it's in a box, let's not wrap it in plastic. I'm just doing my best to recycle like everything that I possibly can. And once you start being more conscious of that, it's just like you notice smaller nitpicky things like this. This is coming apart in tiny pieces and I want to kill it. I just want to take it off. You know what I'm saying? Finally. All right, let's check it out. Blue. And then the black. Oh, the black is very black. Okay. They are brush tips, so I like that. The blue is kind of like not really opaque. I don't know about the blue. It seems like a little bit watery. You can see there, like it's really bleeding into the lines, but it looks pretty. Like it's got like a glitter to it. So we're gonna see how that dries down. I don't know how that's gonna perform. The black came out really nice though. Really intensely black. That one looks like it has a glitter in it too. It doesn't look super shiny black, but there's just like a little something there. I think you can see the glitter in the blue though. We really will know until I put it on my eyes how it performs, so I'll definitely try it. Next up, we got the Dew Tube Hydrating Lip Gloss. And this is the champagne color. Ooh, this packaging is really cute. I kind of love that. It reminds me a little bit of Rem, that Ariana Grande makeup line. So I'll put a little bit of this on. Ooh. It doesn't smell like anything. That's probably my favorite item so far. I love the packaging. And then from Girlactik, this is the Cranberry Sugar Face Scrub. Again, I hate to be negative, but Girlactik has been one of those brands that I really like some stuff and I really not like some stuff. So we shall see. I don't usually go for like sugar scrubs on the face. No particular reason. It's just not something that I'm like, oh my God, I need to have it. Ooh, it smells so good though. I could just sniff that all day. I'm actually really excited. I'm so back and forth about fragrance because sometimes it's so amazing to have a wonderful smell in your skincare and other times it's really annoying. It's all about the scent and what they use to put it in there, because if it smells good and it's not irritating to the skin, I mean, I don't mind it so much. But anyway, we're gonna try it out. I mean, the smell is amazing. The packaging is really freaking cute too, so I will try this out. And like I said, I've loved some of their products, so I'm not mad at that. And then the last thing is from Huxley. I've not heard of this brand. This is the Secret of Sahara Mask Oil and Extract, and it comes in a box. This is really cute packaging. Definitely quite a vibe. Okay, so this is a set of 3. This is really nice looking. It looks like it's separate. Interesting. Okay, so it says you fold over the bottom pouch 3 times, apply pressure until it pops. Oh, so you like pop it into the mask. These look really, really interesting. Sometimes sheet masks can be a little bit boring, honestly. It's like, okay, give me something new. And I feel like this is really cool. You get the extract and the oil. So I am very excited to try these out. You get 3 in here. So we got our mask, we got face scrub, lip gloss, matte setting spray, and then the double-ended liner. So all in all, not bad. I'm definitely excited for the skincare. I'm excited for the gloss. So far, the matte setting spray actually feels really nice. Like, I don't feel oily, but I've still got like a little tiny bit of glow. And obviously glowy where I put my highlight, you know what I mean? But a little bit of like I'm not super matte and dry, so I like that. So all in all, I think this was a good bag. So all in all, I'm pretty pleased. This was a lot more hit than it was miss, so I'm still really excited to try almost everything I got. This month I'm definitely trying a lot of new stuff. None of these things I already have, so that's cool because I have so much stuff that, you know, it gets to a point where you're like, okay, I've had this is a dupe, but yeah, a lot of new stuff for me to try, so I'm excited about that. You guys let me know what you think about these bags. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing. Make sure that you go follow me on TikTok and on Instagram. I am posting a lot on TikTok right now. Once again, I'm sorry if you don't have the platform, I get it, but I am just enjoying it. You know, it's fun and I have fun posting my stuff over there. So anyway, I hope you guys have an amazing night and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.